Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 2nd May. And first of all, national news. AI cannot replace doctors, IMA chief said. President Draupadi Murmu arrived in Ayodhya to pay obeisance at Ram Temple. Play in Supreme Court to set up medical panel to investigate Covishield risk factors. BJP will not remove reservations nor will it allow Congress to do so. Amit Shah. No respite from prolonged heat wave spells in May, IMD. CBI conducted nationwide operation against APP based investment scheme. Supreme Court Article 39B should not be read like there is no protection for private rights. Madras High Court ordered entry of vehicles to Kodai Canal Ooty through e-pass. CISF took over parliament security from Delhi police. And now some international news. Russia said it hit headquarters of southern grouping of Ukrainian army. In a first, UK sent asylum seeker to Rwanda. South Korea considered joining alliance for sharing military technology with Australia, US and UK. Thousands of fish die in Vietnam amid brutal heat wave. Hong Kong hit by nearly 10,000 lightning strikes overnight. And now some sports news. India to play Champions Trophy in Pakistan. Aqib Ilyas named skipper as Oman announced T20 World Cup 2024 squad. India are going weaker on former World Cup winner Blast T20 team selection. Business related news. India Maldives held talks to enhance trade cooperation. The Godrej family split their 127-year business empire. IIMC to introduce MA programs in media business, studies, and strategic communication. Science related news. Indians who got Covishield vaccine susceptible to TTS. The national capital, Delhi, recorded 33 degrees Celsius, followed by Mumbai at 34 degrees Celsius. And that's all in news. Thank you.